And
You're done. It smells good too.
Yeah. Oh, I thought that was me.
No, it's definitely not you.
Okay. Well. So how many times do you come into a new home only to find holes in the wall that you didn't know were there before because the other owners' pictures were on the wall?
Exactly. After they destage everything, there's always a ton of these, and they usually leave them for the homeowner to figure out what to do with.
Yeah. And so us being the new homeowner here, we've got an anchor that a screw is anchored into the wall here. And the first thing we have to do is we've got to get rid of it. So I'm just going to unscrew that real quick. Luke, you want to try to pull that anchor out once I get the screw out here?
I won't try, I will.
Well, I'll believe it when I see it. And on this hole, I think we need to actually use some spackle. And you could even use a kitchen knife if you wanted to. This is going to be a lot like decorating a cake. Spackle's a lot like Play-Doh, except it's lighter weight. And so you can see right here that if you squeeze it and kind of work it in your fingers, it'll turn into something that you can just actually take with your fingers first. And you want to fill that hole. Try to force it as much as possible into that hole. What you want to do is get it real clean. And once you know you've got more on the surface than you need, just take that blade and go whoop, just like that. And so now it's pretty, I can see it's flush with the surface. You're just going to let that dry. And most of the time you don't even have to touch up with paint. In this scenario, because we had the anchor in, it pulled a little bit of the drywall out. So once that dries, we know we're completely flat there. And you can't mess this up.
And I've noticed that usually when we do this after it dries, we give it a light sand.
Sponge on a little paint, you're done.